The Volkswagen Fusca, widely known as the Beetle outside Brazil, has a rich history that dates back to the 1930s. The Itamar model refers specifically to a series of Beetles produced in Brazil during the 1990s. The name Itamar comes from Itamar Franco, the Brazilian president who approved the resumption of the Beetle's production in Brazil in the early 1990s due to its popularity and the demand for affordable cars. The 1996 Fusca Itamar was one of the last iterations of this classic vehicle produced in Brazil before production ceased in 1996. It holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors, symbolizing the end of an era for the iconic car. Design and features. The 1996 Fusca Itamar retains the iconic rounded shape of the Beetle, characterized by its domed roof, rounded fenders, and distinctive front and rear ends. The round headlights and simple taillight design contribute to the classic aesthetic. Available in a variety of colors, the Fusca Itamar often features a solid paint finish that emphasizes its vintage look. Chrome bumpers and trim add a touch of elegance and nostalgia. The dashboard is straightforward and functional, reflecting the minimalist design philosophy of the time. The seats are typically upholstered in durable fabric or vinyl, offering comfort for both the driver and passengers. A basic instrument cluster provides essential information, including speed, fuel level, and warning lights. Performance and mechanics. The Fusca Itamar is equipped with a 1.6-liter air-cooled, flat-4 engine, known for its reliability and ease of maintenance. Produces around 60 horsepower, which is modest by today's standards, but adequate for city driving and light cruising. A 4-speed manual gearbox offers a direct and engaging driving experience, preferred by enthusiasts who enjoy a hands-on approach. The compact size and lightweight construction provide nimble handling, making it easy to maneuver in urban environments. The suspension is tuned for a balance of comfort and stability, though it may feel firm compared to modern vehicles. Cultural significance. The Fusca Itamar became a cultural icon in Brazil, beloved for its affordability, reliability, and unique design. It was a common sight on Brazilian roads, serving as a practical choice for families and young drivers alike. Today, the 1996 Fusca Itamar is a sought-after collector's item, cherished by vintage car enthusiasts who appreciate its historical significance and timeless design. Its status as one of the last Beetles produced in Brazil adds to its allure. Ownership and maintenance. Maintenance tips. Routine maintenance, including oil changes, brake inspections, and engine tune-ups, is essential to keep the Fusca Itamar running smoothly. While some parts may be challenging to find, many aftermarket suppliers specialize in Beetle components, making restoration feasible. The straightforward mechanical design allows for DIY repairs, appealing to enthusiasts who enjoy working on their vehicles. Conclusion. The 1996 Volkswagen Fusca Itamar is more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive history that captures the spirit of an era. Its classic design, reliable performance, and cultural significance make it a beloved icon among car enthusiasts. Whether you're a collector or simply a fan of vintage cars, the Fusca Itamar remains a testament to Volkswagen's enduring legacy and the timeless appeal of the Beetle.